Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to present the topic article writing. That is very important topic for 12th and 11th standard that carry 10 marks. So first of all, we should know the format of article writing. First of all, you will see the title of the topic. After that, who is the writer of article? So name of the writer that should be written here. After that, the content that should be very proper and accurate. So accuracy is the main point that we should know, and we should put some data also in the content. After that, we have to write the conclusion, and in this conclusion we may write our opinion also, and some rhetorical questions and burning questions may also be used in article writing. So according to this will be the format of article writing. Now I am giving you an example of child labor. Child labor. If you are writing an article on child labor, so the main important thing is, according to the format, by means you have to write here the name of the writer. Who is writing? So writer is ABC. We are supposing ABC. Who is the writer? Now the main question is content. That how you will start, how you will write the content, that what should be included in that. So first of all, we should keep in our mind some questions. What, why, and how. So these questions should be included in that. But it doesn't mean that you have to write the question. It means you have to start that what is child labor. So you have to define the child labor. So here what you will write the definition of child labor, and in that child labor you will include some data also, that where childhood is found and we can see the child labor. So in the question what, we have to define the child labor. After that, in the content we should write the question why, means why it is increasing. So you have to raise a question in your mind, and after keeping this you have to write the answer of why. It means why it is increasing. So reason should be there. What is the reason? What is the reason of child labor? That why it is increasing day by day, who is responsible for that? And you may include your some points, your opinion also. And how? At last you may raise a question and you may include some solution. It means how to solve the problem. So solution should be there. It means how to solve the problem of child labor. So many ideas and so many schemes are governed by the government and by the society. That is, we can see in our society. So how to reduce it, how to cope with it. So there will be solution. So in the content, the second thing is content, but in the content the procedure will be this: the definition, the reason, and the solution. So you may write in this way. After that, after completing the content should be accurate, should be written in very simple and easy language that could be understood very well. And after that, at last, we may give some opinions related to the topic, and after that, raise a burning question. Related to the topic, we can raise a burning question so that it may be effective. It will be very attractive, and in the examination, student can get very good marks in the content and in the topic article. So I hope that you will try to write in this way the format of article and the procedure of writing, and except it, any other topic is there except child labor, the procedure will be the same. You may write advantage and disadvantage and your opinion and at last raise question. So I hope that you will try to do this practically and it will help you in your article writing. So have a nice day. Thank you very much.